Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I am reviewing and demoing Moxielash. Moxielash has been all over my Facebook feed for months and I have tried false eyelashes before and I just could not do it. It didn't matter how many YouTube tutorials I watched. It was just one hot mess with glues and lashes going everywhere. And I looked on YouTube for a Moxielash review. There were just a couple, and that was enough to get me to make the investment. And I got the classy lashes because I'm new to false lashes and didn't want anything too grand. The other thing I'm showing you today is these wing stamps for your winged eye. That's another thing. I just have never been able to draw a wing and make it look nice. And these are by a company called, I don't know if it's La Pure or LA Pure. They're on Amazon. Perfect wing in seconds. So stay tuned. I'll show you how I did this dramatic look with Moxielash and the La Pure wing stamp. So let's see how I got this look doing this eye. The first thing I do is go in with the Fame palette by ColourPop, and I'm using the color Delirium. This color is practically the same color as my skin. And I'm going to start building the crease that way. You can see I'm holding pretty far back on the brush. By the way, this is a brush I got in some package from Sephora. Alright, and it's just putting down, I mean you can see, it's basically skin color, but it is laying down a foundation. Get a little more of that. And now over the top of that, I am going to take a MAC 221 and going into the Charlotte Tilbury palette, I am going to use this shade right here. And I'm going a little bit high in the crease here and just laying down some depth now with this color. I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to leave it high. I'm not going to connect it to the outer corner of my eye. The whole movable part of my eye is going to be in a shimmer. I'm doing this for an evening look. Maybe that wasn't obvious. All right. And so you can see now I've created some depth there. Now I'm going with my favorite tool, my pinky, and I am picking up this shade right here. Would have been nice to have names on these. And that is going on the movable part of my lid. Oh, it just has such a pretty shimmer to it. All right. Now, the next thing I need to do is put down the magnetic eyeliner for the Moxielashes. And it comes with a brush, but I prefer to use an angled brush. I feel like I have better control with that. So I'm picking up some product and, oh, I got too much. And I'm going to press it along my lash line. And I've found you need to do a fair amount. Basically, it kind of goes from where the black has a little green cast to it to where it's solid black. And once I have found for me, once it's solid black, then I have enough on there to hold the lashes. I'm picking up a little bit more. There, that's going black. That is going to be dark enough to hold the lashes. Really want to get it good at the outside corner here. All right, now before I put the lashes on, I want to show you another product. This is by a company called Pure, and this is something I got off of Amazon. It is a stamp. You see that? It is a stamp for doing your wing. If you're like me and you've never been able to get the wing right, you're gonna love this. So what I do is I hold my skin, don't pull it too much, just firm it out a little bit, excuse me, and figure out where I want it to be, press, and release. Look. Voila. And then the other end is liner. And so what I do is I just take that corner and I connect it into where it hits at the lower lash line, and the same thing for the upper lash line. And now I'm just going to color in that area. And voila, wing. Okay, I love this stuff. All right, let's see about, oh, sorry. Before we put the lashes on, let's take care of my real lashes. I'm going to curl them. This is a Surratt curler that I absolutely love. If you're like I used to be and think that there's no difference in eyelash curlers, the Surratt, it's not cheap. I think it's about 30 bucks, but oh, I really like it. And this is the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. I really like mascara primers, and I especially like this one because it's black. Hello, we're putting on black mascara. Why do we have white primers? So I really like this Estee product. All right, let that dry. Oh, whack myself in the cheek. Let that dry a little bit. And now we're going to take out the lash, the Moxielash. There are little magnets on the holder there. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. All right, I feel like I'm still kind of a klutz with these things. However, this is way easier than messing with glue. That was an absolute train wreck for me. Oh, they're on. All right, and now I'm just gonna go, and I'm using Lancome's Monsieur Big to do my lashes. Don't we all look attractive when we do our lower lashes? All right, oh, you know what? Shoot. Okay, the inner corner has popped up. I'm gonna wait for my mascara to dry before I go in and try to do it. The last thing I need to do is go in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I am going in with the color Wonderlust. And I'm just doing that under my lashes on my lower lash line. And this is a Morphe brush. You see it's a flat, dense brush. And I'm going a little bit over that black line I created before and smudging it under my lashes. And really I should have done that before I put mascara on, but that's the way it goes sometime. Okay, let's get this inner lash corner fixed. There. Okay, my test. Oops, dang, the other one now popped off. Okay, I clearly need a little more liner on the inner part. So I'm going to say that that's operator error, not an error of the lashes. I think maybe there's a little learning curve of how much of this stuff you need. So you can maybe, I hope you can pick that up on camera, how much darker that just got. Okay, I'm gonna pop this one. They come off so easy, so fabulous. All right, if you have never ever been able to get false lashes to work for you, and that is my story, I think these Moxielash are the bomb. I mean, they kept showing up on my Facebook feed, and how many of us do that? We finally succumb, but I think it was worth it. Okay. So you've gotten that one. Okay. Oh, and they're on. And my wings, okay. This wing is pointed this way, this wing is pointed this way. So that I would need to fix if I were actually going out. But I think that has given me a nice dramatic look for evening that feels like it was certainly beyond my capabilities. So I'm giving a thumbs up to Moxielash and a thumbs up to the pure winged stamp. Amazing. They're linked below. Hello friends, I wanted to check back in with you. I wore those Moxielashes for about 2 hours, and I'm thinking it's probably that I'm just not used to wearing false lashes because I could just feel them and it didn't feel comfortable, and I wasn't going to spend the night feeling uncomfortable. So here's my look without lashes. This is how I'm going out tonight. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. I post every Monday and Thursday, but sometimes I post a bonus video and you don't want to miss that. Thanks so much and have a really fantastic day.